Hello, so do you know how to work out the basic algebra? So with me, I have 5 into bracket 2p minus 1, then you close the bracket plus 2 into bracket 6 minus 3p, then you close the bracket is equals to 12. So I want us to find the value of p. So if you're joining for the first time, please remember to subscribe and also like. So if you are not joining for the first time, meaning that you are a returning subscriber, please just remember to like the video as we proceed. So we want to solve this problem within the shortest time possible. So don't go away, let's work it out, and you can also work it on yourself. Then you can confirm our answers on the comment section. So remember to write the answers that you got on the comment section. So let's begin with the solution. So how are we going to solve this particular problem? So here we have the solution to this problem. So we have 5. So 5 into the bracket 2p minus 1, then we close the bracket plus 2 into bracket 6 minus 3p. So close the bracket is equals to 12. So the first step that you are going to find out, or we are going to do, we are going to solve for the known, like 2p and 3p are known. So we're going to solve it by first opening the bracket. So in short, by opening the bracket, you're going to multiply this 5 with the numbers inside the bracket. So how are you going to do that? So let's work it out. 5 multiplied by 2p. So we shall have 5 multiplied by 2p. So there, then from there, minus 1. So all of that. Then plus 2 multiplied by 6 minus 3p. Then have the bracket is equals to 12. So 5 multiplied by the number inside the bracket, that is 5 multiplied by 2. Now from there we shall have 10p. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 2p is 10p. So 5 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 5. So we shall have our negative 5 there. So add 2 multiplied by 6. So let's also open this bracket by having 2 multiplied by the number inside the bracket. So 2 multiplied by 6, we shall have positive 12. That is positive 2 multiplied by 6. Then also we shall have positive 2 multiplied by negative 3. That is negative 6p is equals to 12. So what's the next step that you're going to do? So the next step that you're going to do, we're going to have to put the like terms together, like the known together. So 10p and 6p, there we call them the known. So here now we shall have our 10p here. So we are not going to have this 5 because 10p and negative 5, they are not the same. So we are going to pick the ones that are the same. So minus 6p here. So minus 6p. Then from there, now we shall have our minus 5. So minus 5 there plus 12 is equals to 12. So what do we do on our next step? So let's work out the value of p. So now we shall have 10p minus 6p. Now we shall have 4p. So now there 4p. So is equals to, so we have to have minus 5 and plus 12. We have to put them into this other side of 12. So meaning that we shall carry them up to where the 12 is. So they shall have to cross the equal sign. So this one is equals to 12. So now from there, now we shall have 12. Okay, so when minus 5 crosses the equal sign, it becomes plus 5. Okay, then from there we shall have positive 12. So when positive 12, again this one crosses the equal sign, it becomes another different thing. It becomes minus 12. So here now we shall have minus 12. So here now we shall have 4p. So already now we have the p's on one side and the ones that are not p on the other side. So here now we shall have 4p is equals to 12 plus 5, that is 17. So we shall have 17 minus 12. So from there, what do we do? So we shall have to subtract 17 minus 12. And now we shall say that 4p is equals to 17 minus 12, we have 5. So here now we are left with 4p is equals to 5. So how do you work out the value of p? So it is very simple. We shall divide both sides by 4. So here by 4, here also by 4. So from there, 4 and 4 will cancel each other like that. So now our p here is equals to 5 over 4. So p is equals to 5 over 4. So as usual, it is not correct to leave the answer as p is equals to 5 over 4, simply because 5 is bigger than 4. So we have to convert 5 over 4 into what we call another fraction, that is called a mixed fraction. So here our p is equals to, so you can choose a long method where now you have 4 and 5 there. So now we shall say 4 goes into 5 how many times? So it goes there 1 times, and 1 times 4 is 4. Then when you work out, 5 minus 4 is 1. So our p shall be 1 whole. So this other one, so we shall have 1 whole, and what's the remainder? And 1, so 1 whole and 1 over 4. So this one is now we've converted into a mixed fraction, so that 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5 over 4. So now our answer is 1 whole and 1 over 4. So on the answer that you've got, you can also change 1 whole and 1 over 4 into a decimal by now converting 1 over 4 into a decimal. So you can either give your answer into a decimal, or if you want to give your answer into a decimal, then you can decide to give your answer as a fraction, as long as that the numerator is bigger than the denominator. You cannot leave the answer as that. So in that case, so let's check the answers that you've got on the comment section, and let's try to confirm them. So like here now you have 1 over 4, so you can also convert 1 over 4 into a decimal by taking 4. Then now you shall have 1 inside. So 4 cannot goes into 1, so you say it goes there 0 times. So now we shall have 0 point. Now you say 4 goes into 10, and you say it goes there 2 times. That becomes 8. So when you subtract 8, 10 minus 8 is 2. So again we shall have another 0 here, so that 4 goes into 20 5 times. So instead of having p is equals to 1 and 1 over 4, so you can also say that p is equals to 1.25. So just add 0.25 to the 1 whole, so p is 1.25. So both of them are the same. So let's stop there and see you in the next video. Bye bye.